Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration case previous year questions. Okay, now explain question number 1 from 2020 year question. So integral 1 plus x to the power 4 by 1 plus x to the power 6. Okay, 1 plus x square multiply and divide. Now we have, so 1 multiply with 1 plus x square, 1 into 1, 1. This x to the power 4 into x square, x to the power 6. 1 into x square, x to the power 4 into 1, x to the power 4. Okay, so write denominator 1 plus x to the power 6 into 1 plus x square. So by using individual division, 1 plus x to the power 6 by right denominator 1 plus x to the power 6 dx by 1 plus x to the power 6 into 1 plus x square plus integral. In this one x square take out common, 1 plus x square dx by right denominator 1 plus x to the power 6 into 1 plus x square. In this 1 plus x square get cancelled, 1 plus x to the power 6 also. Okay, now integral dx by 1 plus x square plus x square dx by 1 plus x to the power 6. This x to the power 6 can be written as x cube whole square. Okay, we have integral dx by 1 plus x square tan inverse x. Okay, so let us take x cube is equal to t. So now this derivative 3x square dx is equal to dt. Therefore x square dx equal to dt by 3. Okay, right. Integral. So this formula is tan inverse of x integral x square dx. Okay, we have dt by 3 into 1 plus t square. So therefore tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 times of integral dt by 1 plus t square. We have formula tan inverse of t. Okay, therefore tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 times of tan inverse of, in the place of t we have to write x cube. So this is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. Integral e to the power sin x into sin 2x dx. Okay, so integral e to the power sin x into, we have sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x. Let us take sin x is equal to t. Okay, so by using substitution method sin x is equal to t. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. The differentiation of sin x, we have cos x dx is equal to dt. Okay, right. Integral e to the power sin x place and right t 2 times of sin x value t cos x dx, this will be dt. In this 2 constant, integral e to the power t into dt. Okay, we have one formula, integral e power x into f of x dx. This formula is e power x into f of x minus f dash x plus f double dash x minus and so on. Okay, so what is required? 2 times of integral e to the power t into dt, t dt. So 2 into, so by using this formula, so you first write e power x, e to the power exponential function into f of x plus f of x minus f dash x plus f double dash x and so on. But I first write exponential function in this e to the power t into, first write plus t, derivative of t 1. Okay, plus minus write alternative. So differentiation of t 1 differentiation is 0. Okay, stay. So 2 into e to the power, in the place of t we have to write sin x. So e to the power sin x into, this is sin x minus 1. So 2 e to the power sin x into sin x minus 1 plus c. Let us go to the next problem. Integral minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse x dx. Okay. Let us take integration I is equal to minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of x dx. Okay. We should apply this property. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x. Okay. So on explanation, we should write lower limit plus upper limit minus x. In this, I is equal to minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of. On explanation, we should write lower limit plus upper limit minus x. What is the lower limit? Plus upper limit minus x. Lower limit is minus 1 by 2, upper limit is plus 1 by 2 minus x. So on explanation, we should write minus x. We have cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Pi minus cos inverse x, right? So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This will be pi minus cos inverse x dx. Now we should apply minus 1 by 2 integral minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 to each function. So minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2 pi dx. Minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Okay, this value will be I. This is the from statement. Therefore, I is equal to, it is pi constant, 1 dx value x. Limits 1 by 2 to minus 1 by 2 minus I. Okay, this minus I bring the left side. The 2i is equal to, right, pi times of, on replacing x by lower limit, formula minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, this is 1. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 2. What is the answer? Pi by 2 answer correct. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2020 question. If integral 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, this is given a log x minus 1, b into log x minus 2 plus c into log x minus 3. We have to find a, b, c values. Okay. First we have to find a, b, c values. Right. 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. This can be written as a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Okay. Now, first we have to find a value. A is equal to, so denominator of a, what is there? X minus 1. Since x minus 1 equals 0, x is equal to 1. Okay. In right side, in right hand side, substitute x is equal to 1 in rest of factors. In rest of factors. So let us take a right side value 3x plus 1 by, the remaining factors are x minus 2 into x minus 3. Put x is equal to 1, this value will be 3 into 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3. Okay, this value will be 4 by minus 2, 4 by plus 2, 2. So a value, we got it 2. Okay, similarly, we have to find b and c values, b value and c value. So denominator of b x minus 2, if equal to 0, x is equal to, this is x is equal to 3. Okay, x is equal to 2, substitute in right side, rest of factors. So what is right side value? 3x minus 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 3. So the substitute x is equal to 2 in rest of factors. This value expression 2, right? 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3. 7 by minus 7. Okay, b value minus 7. Next we have to find c value. Okay, substitute x is equal 3 in rest of factors. Okay, on right side value. What is the right side value? 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Right, x plus 3. 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2. So 10 by 2. This will be 5. So 2 minus 7, 5 correct answers. 2 minus 7, 5. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 8x and the line y is equal to 2x. Okay, we have one formula. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to x is equal to ay square plus by plus c and y-axis is delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. What is the formula? Delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square, where delta is b square minus 4ac. Where delta formula b square minus 4ac. So what is given? Y square is equal to 8x and y is equal to 2x. Write this from this curve x value. X is equal to y square by 8. From this line x value y by 2. Okay. Now, therefore x is equal to y square by 8 is equal to y by 2. Both are x values. Okay. So this is equal to y square is x is equal to y square by 8 plus y by 2, bring the left side, minus y by 2. So on comparing, x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Okay, this equation on comparing x is equal to ay square plus by plus c, where x value a is equal to 1 by 8 and b is equal to minus 1 by 2 and c is equal to 0. Okay, a, b, c values 1 by 8, minus 1 by 2 and c value is 0. First, this is the formula, delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. Okay, first we have to find delta value b square minus 4ac. B square value minus 1 by 2 whole square, 4 into a c. C value 0. This value will be 1 by 4. Delta value 1 by 4. Okay, what is the formula? Required area is equal to delta power 3 by 2 by 6a square. So delta value write 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 square power 3 by 2 by 6 into, where a value 1 by 8. 1 by 8 whole square. Okay, this 2 get cancelled. 1 by 8 by 6 times of 1 by 8 whole square. 1 by 8 get cancelled. So this will be 8 by 6. 8 by 6 is equal to 4 by 3 square units. So answer is 4 by 3 square units. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. Integral minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cos x dx by 1 plus e to the power x. Okay. So we should applying this property, integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x. So what is the meaning of property? On replacing x by lower limit plus upper limit minus x. Okay. Write minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 on replacing x by lower limit plus upper limit minus x. What is the lower limit? Minus pi by 2. Upper limit is pi by 2 minus x. So on replacing x by minus x, right? Cos of minus x dx by 1 plus e to the power minus x. We have cos of minus x is equal to plus cos x. Cos of minus x value plus cos x. Integral minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cos x dx by 1 plus e to the power minus x. This will be 1 by e to the power x. Okay. So let us do LCM. So minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cos x dx by e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x. Okay. This e to the power x multiply with cos x. This will be minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 e to the power x cos x dx by e to the power x plus 1. So let us take equation 1 statement. Let us take equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. So I plus I 2i is equal to, so what is the equation 1? Write as it is, integral minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cos x dx by 1 plus e to the power x. So what is the equation 2? Write minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 e to the power x into cos x dx by e to the power x plus 1. Okay. So let us do LCM. So these two are like fractions. LCM is e to the power x plus 1. So minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So e to the power x plus 1 LCM. Okay. In numerator 1 cos x take out common. Remaining value 1 plus e to the power x. 1 plus e to the power x. In this 1 plus e to the power x get cancelled. Integral cos x. Integral cos x we have sin x. Okay. Okay, integral cos x we have sin x. So 2i is equal to, so this integration sin x, limits are pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. Okay, write on expression upper limit sin pi by 2, formula minus sin of minus pi by 2. This will be equal to 2i. 2i is equal sin 90 value 1 minus into minus plus to sin 90 value 1. So 2i is equal to 2. Therefore I is equal to 1. So I is equal to 1 means statement answer 1, correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. So this is from 2020 question. Integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Answer pi by 8 log 2. Okay, this is the standard result. So now explain question number 8. The order of the differential equation, one equation given. Okay, this you divide C1 on both sides. Y is equal to C2 plus C3 by C1 into e to the power x plus C4. This can be written as e to the power C4 into e to the power x. So let us take this value a. A is equal to C2 plus C3 by C1 into e to the power C4. Okay, therefore y is equal to a e to the power x, where a is arbitrary constant. So how many arbitrary constants are there? One arbitrary constant is there. Therefore the order of the differential equation is 1. This is the direct process. So according to process now I explain. So let us take equation 1. This is now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. The differentiation of y, we have y1 is equal to a into derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. Okay. So a e to the power x, a into e to the power x place and write y. Y1 is equal to y. So this order is equal to, order of the differential equation is 1. In this, what is the order of the differential equation? Highest derivative of the differential equation. In this highest derivative is y1 1. Because in this order of the differential equation is 1. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. The general solution of the differential equation. First this convert into dy by dx form. Okay. First dx, divide dx on both sides. So x square dy by dx minus 2xy dx by dx. This will be x to the power 4 cos x dx by dx. One dx get cancelled. In this also. So again divide x square on both sides. Therefore dy by dx minus 2xy by x square is equal to x to the power 4 cos x by x square. One x square get cancelled, x square into cos x. Okay, in this one x get cancelled. On comparing the equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q with equation 1. Okay, where p value minus 2 by x. This is the linear differential equation form, where p value minus 2 by x and q value x square cos x. P is equal to minus 2 by x and q is equal to x square cos x. Now first we have to find integral factor. In formula, this is integral e to the power p dx. E power integral p dx. E to the power integral p value minus 2 by x dx. So minus 2 constant, integral 1 by x. We have 1 log x. E to the power minus 2 log x. Minus 2 log x is nothing but x to the power minus 2. E to the power log x to the power minus 2. This is nothing but x to the power minus 2. We have one formula, e to the power log m base e is equal to m. E to the power log x to the power minus 2 base e value x to the power minus 2. This is equal to 1 by x square. So integral factor, we got 1 by x square and the q value x square cos x. Okay, we got integral factor 1 by x square and q value x square cos x. So what is the general solution formula? Y times of integral factor is equal to q into integral factor into dx. Okay, so y into integral factor, we have 1 by x square, q value x square cos x, integral factor value 1 by x square dx. In this, one x square get cancelled, so y by x square is equal, integral cos x, we have sin x plus c. Okay, let us do cross product. Y is equal to x square sin x plus cx square. Okay, this is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. The area of the region bounded by y is equal to x plus 1, x-axis, and ordinates x is equal to minus 1 and plus 1. Okay. So y is equal to x plus 1. On comparing, y is equal to mx plus c, where c value 1, y intercept is 1. So let us draw x and y axis. So y is equal to 2x plus 1. So y intercept value 1. This point is 0 and 1. X is equal to minus 1 passing through minus 1, 0, and which is parallel to y axis. Okay. Next, x is equal to 1. This is passing through 1, 0, and which is parallel to y axis. X is equal to 1. So what is the required area? The area of the region bounded by y is equal to x plus 1, x-axis and ordinates. This part is required. Okay. Therefore, the required area first we have to find a point. This AB is the point of intersection of x and this line. So where AB is the point of intersection of y is equal to x plus 1 and x-axis. On x-axis y coordinate 0. So y is equal 0 is equal to x plus 1. Now x value, we got it minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 to and 0. Okay, therefore the required area is equal integral minus 1 to minus 1 by 2. Write y value. What is the y value? 2x plus 1 dx. This area is below x-axis. So let us take minus. Okay, next minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 to plus 1. So let us take y value 2x plus 1. Okay, this is the above x-axis. So write plus. So let us do simplify. This answer will be 5 by 2. So option 3 correct. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.